Okay, here's a quick little video to show how to set up Blender before we start. So first, I'm downloading from Blender builds. So you need to get specifically this one here that we're going to use for our lessons. So go in here and we want the Blender 2.8 version for whatever your operating system is. So I'm going to get this 64-bit, click that, download it. It's a zip, which means we can just extract that to the desktop or anywhere. Actually, for Macs especially, you need to extract this to the desktop or somewhere without permissions requirements, otherwise you're going to have some problems. So I recommend just dragging this into your desktop, and then once that's there, there's also a link that I'm going to include with this video, which has all the scripts and configs. So here's our Blender folder, and inside here it looks really scary, but don't worry, I'm going to run through it. So we go to 2.8, click on that, and then scripts, and then startup, and you should see something like that. And then you're going to go to that download link and unzip that, and you'll see this. So we can just grab all of this stuff here, and JM Quick Pipe is from my friend Jeremy Mitchell, but these are all new scripts. We're going to be using Blender 2.8 for the first time with these scripts, so these are all brand new. There might be a little bit of some bugs and stuff, but we're going to go for it. Okay, so then go back out of that, back to scripts, and then back to 2.8, and right in here in 2.8 I'm going to drag this config folder right into here. So you should see the 4 of these. Okay, so then we go back, and now all you have to do is hit this blender.exe, and it opens up in a second, and you should see this. If you hit Z, as in zebra, you'll see this, and then you can go to rendered, and then it's going to start to compile some stuff, some shaders, and then that's it. We're all set. So, okay, I hope this works. I'll see you guys in a minute, and good luck.